Hello and welcome to Read Me a Story. Today, we're going to talk about voices. The voices that you use when you read aloud with your child. Now, it is certainly my hope that every parent wants the very best for their children, and this would include a healthy and vibrant relationship with books. Books are the primary vehicle for language development and learning. But you see, humans, and young children especially, are pleasure-centered beings. They do more of what they enjoy. How do we get children to enjoy books and discover the grand pleasure of reading and learning? Well, it's by making reading an extremely fun and pleasurable experience. One way to do that? Your voices. You can make a good book great for young children simply by giving voices and personality to the characters and bringing the story to life. This can dramatically increase your child's level of engagement and make reading that much more pleasurable. And they'll want more. Today, I've decided to sound foolish to your adult ears. Today, I'm going to be reading two brief sections from two different books to demonstrate the vibrancy of the reading experience for your child should you choose to use character voices. The first is The Pigeon Needs a Bath. The Pigeon books are fantastic books for young children. The pigeon is silly, funny, and he goes through a range of emotions in a short period of time, just like young children do. And the pigeon books provide an excellent training ground for you, as there are no he said or she saids between the pages. We know who's talking by speech bubbles. Your young children know who's talking based on your voices. And now on to the readings. What I'd like to do is I'm going to read this book in my normal speaking voice, just a passage. And immediately following, I'm going to read the same passage, but with voice characterizations. And if you try to listen with the ears of a child, which one is more engaging? Okay, here we go. The pigeon needs a bath. I do not. By the way, this is the bus driver from Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus, the first in the series. Hi, I don't know if you've noticed, but the pigeon is filthy. So, I could use your help because the pigeon needs a bath. That is a matter of opinion. What a kidder. I don't really need a bath. So, I'm going to go back and I'm going to read the same passage again, but with voice characterizations. Which one is more engaging? Here we go. The pigeon needs a bath. I do not. Hi. I don't know if you've noticed, but the pigeon is filthy. So I could use your help because the pigeon needs a bath. That is a matter of opinion. Oh, what a kidder. I mean, I don't really need a bath. I took one last month. I think it was last month. Sound effects. Clean, dirty. It just was, right? I'm going to jump forward just a little bit in this story because as the pigeon argues the point of whether he really needs a bath, he is visited by some creatures. All of these flies buzzing around me are purely coincidental. By the way, coincidental, love to have you stop and talk about that word. It's a great vocabulary word. Now here, we have characters speaking other than the pigeon.
Hey, you.
Yuck.
Let's get out of here. Take a bath, dude.
Again, you're trying to turn up the level of engagement. Voice characterizations are such a great way to do that. The BFG by Roald Dahl will be my next sample read, but in our next video, which will be linked to this one. We'll see you in a moment for part 2. Thank you.